discuss about a very easy trick to the resting memory potential. It's ion concentrations, this especially. So here, suppose this is a sarcolemma, or this is sarcolemma membrane, and here in resting membrane potential we have a trick to remember this as ROOP. So here R stands for resting membrane potential, resting membrane potential, and O means outside, and P means positive. So it is clear now that in resting membrane potential the positive ions are mostly outside and negative ions are mostly inside. So here negative creates due to the following reasons. So here we have another trick to remember it, that is Donley. I think you know this person. It's a South Korean film actor. So here D means distribution and active movement. Distribution and active movement. Distribution and active movement of sodium and potassium ions, which helps in resting memory potential. And second as O means organic ions, which also play a role, which also helps in making the membrane potential as a resting or polarized state. Or here L means leakage. Here L means leakage of potassium ions. So it also helps in making the membrane potential as in polarized state or in resting membrane state. Okay, so now we have a third trick here in this nerve impulse topic, has 30 kins. So in normal resting membrane case and normal resting or membrane potential, this applies to this to the resting membrane potential. Here 30 means 30 and K means, it means that 30 times potassium ions is greater inside a sarcolemma membrane, than outside. Okay, and 10 times sodium ions is greater outside than inside. So here we have another trick to making resting membrane potential as Nokia 321. So here we can write this as KIA. Here N means sodium ions and O means, it means sodium ion goes outside, and potassium ions get inside with the help of using ATP. So here 3 means for use for sodium and 2 for potassium and 1 for ATP. Here this for ATP. sodium ions, 3 sodium ion goes outside and 2 potassium ion gets enter with utilization of 1 ATP. So Nokia 321 is very easy trick to remember remember the way how to make the resting membrane potential. Thank you.